It's really easy to register and join this website. All you have to do is sign in with an already existing Google account, or you can use your Facebook account. If you don't have either one of those, you can just simply use your email address, type in a password, and just confirm that you're not a robot. Then you guys will be on your way. Now, once you get access to signed up, a lot of you are going to receive a $5 bonus for just signing up. You can see I've got 5,000 points waiting for me right here. You can later redeem this for cash, for free PayPal money. Now, I have a mission here that I need to complete, and I'm going to be doing that right on this video. So let me just walk you through here and show you how this works. And then after that, I'm going to show you some other ways to make money online by just clicking the mouse, watching videos, looking at advertisements. But first, let's go through here because there are some important things that I want to cover just to make sure that you guys get your cash inside of the website. You are going to be given missions. It's very important for you to complete one mission in order to go on to the next. Now, I've already signed up. A lot of you are going to receive a $5 bonus for just signing up. You can see I've got 5,000 points waiting for me right here. You can later redeem this for cash, for free PayPal money. Now, I have a mission here that I need to complete, and I'm going to be doing that right on this video. So let me just walk you through here and show you how this works. And then after that, I'm going to show you some other ways to make money online by just clicking the mouse, watching videos, looking at advertisements. But first, let's go through here because there are some important things that I want to cover just to make sure that you guys get your cash as fast as possible. So what I'm going to do is click on 1,000 points. This is a sign-up bonus. All I have to do is just follow the questions. It's like a little questionnaire that I need to follow. There's also a helpful mascot, a person that walks you through each of the steps just to make sure you are doing everything correctly. Now, when you guys answer the questions on these missions, it's very important that you take your time. You do not go through them too quickly. You are honest with your answers, because if you're not, the system will detect that you might be some kind of robot. You might get disqualified from the test, or they may even ban your account. So you definitely don't want that to happen. So what I'm going to do here is just place some answers in here. What is your current relationship status? Now, I'm just going to put any old answers for now. I'll put single, never married. How many children do you have? I'm going to put none. Which of the following best describes your home? Okay, so I have a single family detached home. Do you rent your primary residence? I'll just put that I own that, and then I will click on continue. Now, if you watch this, when I click on continue, you're going to have helpful tips from these different people or mascots that are going to come up here on the right, and they're just going to guide you through just to make sure you guys do everything correctly. But what you will also know is a progress bar up on the top right of this page, way up here, which is just going to show your progress, because this really only takes a few minutes to do, and you can start earning thousands of points right on this website that you can later cash in for PayPal money. So let's take a look at what she says here. Don't try to answer based on what you think we might want. We receive missions of all kinds with a lot of different needs. It's important you just be you, and we'll match you to the surveys as best as we can. So let's go ahead and continue the questions. What is the highest level of education that you have? I'm just going to put high school. What is the current employment status? I'll put employed full-time. And then I will just say, okay, my job is a vice president. Which of the following best describes the industry that I'm in? I'll put accounting. Please indicate your specific role within the industry. I'll put accountant and then just click on continue. Now you guys will just keep following through this until you have completed the test. Now I will be right back. All right, great. So I've completed the mission, and now it says, congratulations, you have completed your initial training. You are now free to explore Point Club and take in all sites or start racking up points from our available missions. I'm so proud that you've got me doing my celebrity happy dance. Welcome aboard. So as you can see, the website has a pretty good sense of humor, but you can see now it will refresh. And now I have the ability to move on to more missions and earn more points to rack those up so I can cash those in for PayPal money. One of the great things I like about this website is the variety of different things to do. So you're not just stuck on doing missions or surveys. Look over here on the offer board. If I go over there, you can see that there's different offers you guys can fill out. So this could be something just as simple as filling in your email address, and then you guys can earn 50 points or even up to 9,000 points just for doing that. I mean, you can earn a few bucks just for signing up to a website. And if you repeat this over and over again, you guys can quickly rack up those points inside of your account so you can cash out as soon as possible. Another thing is the one-click system, different offers and coupons that only take one click. If you guys want to earn a small number of points for doing that, there are also mobile apps that you guys can download. Now, for me, I like to go on the desktop and do things. It just seems to be a lot easier. There's also different surveys, more surveys separated from the main site surveys if you want to go ahead and dive into those and look a little bit further. Another great thing is the ad wall and the videos. Let me show you that. So go ahead and click on ad wall, and that'll take you over here where you guys can earn money doing a variety of different things like watching videos, doing more surveys. You can earn money shopping or doing free trials right online. You can also sign up to different websites and they're going to pay you for doing that. Here's a section for just free money. And so what I really like is the video section because I can just sit back and watch videos and earn points. And so they have videos in several different categories. They have food, celebrity, best life, music, viral videos, and gaming, and much, much more. Now, what I'm going to do is check out the food videos, and I'll give you an example on what this looks like. So you could just sit back and watch these videos. In this case, this person is cooking some food, sharing some recipes and things like that. You guys are going to probably learn something, but also get paid for doing it. So it's a pretty good deal. Now, looking over here, there's also another area that I want to share with you. It's called the Media Lab. Now, going over to the Media Lab, this is something really new I haven't seen before. This is something called a channel watcher. Now, what you do is you sit back and you relax and you earn rewards for your reviews of their featured content on the website. And you get rewarded 30 points for every 13 pages of content that you review. So just like it says, really all you guys have to do is grab a snack, grab some popcorn, and look at their reviews, and you guys are going to get 30 points for each one that you do. So it's a pretty good deal. I really like how they have laid out the entire website. It's really cool to go back to the home page here or go back to the dashboard and look at the different points and look at my balance, how it just keeps increasing over time. Now, I promised you guys towards the end of this video that I would share on how you guys can earn more money online. Maybe you need more money to pay the bills, something that's really going to make a bigger difference in your life. And I want to share something because you know what? You may have to watch several videos